Hello everyone, today we are going to start our chapter that is values and the topic is positive attitude. So first of all, what is positive attitude? Means to see all the things positively or to express your positive thoughts on any topic. In short, in every situation, stay positive. That is positive attitude, because negative thoughts that depresses us in many ways, but positive mental attitude that lifts our morale and it brings optimism and motivates us towards success, making life much easier and more enjoyable. So in this chapter there are some situations that are given and your state of mind and your reaction that will be checked in this chapter. So the first situation that is given, that you and your friends appeared for an examination. Your friends that scored more than you. What is your states of mind? There are four options that are given. The first option, that is, why not me? Am I such a stupid? So it is a positive attitude or negative attitude. Think about it. The second option is, since my friends take tuition from the teacher, they have scored good marks. The third option is, I will understand my own lapses and will be determined to work out positive solutions. And the fourth, that is, I will copy the notes of my friends and mug up for hours. So in this, only one option that is of positive attitude, that is, I will understand my own lapses and will be determined to work out positive solutions. So this is the situations that become stay positive. So I will understand my own lapses, that mistakes I have done, that will understand. So it is your state of mind and it is the positive attitude. The next one is, what is your reaction towards it? The first option is remain aloof, stop talking to your friends and give up studying hard. The second one option is remain aloof but prepare well for the next examination. The next one is will not let this affect our friendship and take preparation tips from my friends. And the fourth one is will not let this affect our friendship and forget the whole incident as if it had never happened. So what will be your reaction? Your reaction according to the positive attitude, will not let this affect our friendship and take preparation tips from my friends. This is the reaction. Now there is second situation is, suppose you lost your pen and as a result you lost a lot of precious time and were not able to finish the class test in time. Later on you spotted your pen in your friend's pencil box. Now what is your state of mind and what is your reaction? Your state of mind may be hurt and ready for revenge. It is a negative attitude. The B option, that is, feel that your friend needed the pen, so he took it but think he should have asked for it. Here is also some negativity. The C option, that is, feel that's why people say we should not trust anyone. It is also a negative attitude. But the last option, that is, think of correcting yourself, that is the positive attitude, so as to never lose your pen or other things. Now what is your reaction? The first one, that is, would take it back without telling him. Is this a positive attitude or negative? This is a negative attitude. Scold him and stop being friend. This is also a negative attitude. Complain to your teacher and parents. No. Talk it with your friend. Talk it out with your friend. This is the positive attitude. So this will be your reaction according to the positive attitude. So this is all about your chapter, that is positive attitude. Thank you.